Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rabika. So today we are restocking our refrigerator with fruits, veggie fruits, and some juices, drinks. Here we are putting some vegetables. It's avocado. Oh my god, this is looking so realistic. We have some apples. Now the other thing is juice bottles. Here are some sweets. Now we have broccoli and it's a meat section. So we have all meats and seafoods here. Now we have some other fruits, dragon fruits, some chili, oranges, lemon. Here are the honey bottle, ice cream. Oh my god, this is looking really so realistic. Some juice bottles. Here is the final look. Please like and subscribe for the next video.